In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand and collapse mind map trees in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to manage a draw.io mind map tree. In this example, we'll be working from a Confluence page, but the overall process is very similar in Jira as well. The main goal here is to make your mind map easier to navigate by letting you hide or reveal branches as needed. Once you're on the page, enter the page editor and locate the mind map you want to update. Click on the mind map to select it. When you do, a floating toolbar will appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the draw.io diagram in a pop-up editor inside Confluence where you can make changes directly to the mind map. Now that you're inside the editor, select a parent node in your mind map. This is important because tree folding works on nodes that have connected branches beneath them. After selecting the parent node, move over to the panel on the right side and make sure you're on the Style tab. In the Style tab, click Property to expand that section if it isn't already open. Then look for the option called Tree Folding and check the box next to it. As soon as you enable that setting, go back to the selected parent node on the canvas. You'll now see a small minus icon displayed on the node. That icon means the connected branches are currently expanded. Click the minus icon and the branches attached to that parent node will collapse, which helps simplify the view of a large or detailed mind map. When the branches are collapsed, that same icon will change from a minus sign to a plus sign. Clicking the plus sign will expand the hidden branches again so they become visible. This gives you a simple way to control how much detail is shown at any moment, which can be especially helpful when presenting ideas or organizing complex information. If you want the same expand and collapse behavior on other parts of the mind map, just repeat the process for any other parent nodes whose branches you want to control. Make sure you select each parent node individually, enable tree folding in the Style panel, and then use the plus or minus icon on the canvas to collapse or expand that section. And that's it. You now know how to expand and collapse mind map trees in draw.io for Confluence and Jira.